Hey there, tech fans! Welcome to our latest tutorial on creating augmented reality experiences using ARKit and ARCore. I'm your host, Name, and I'll be guiding you through this step-by-step journey. So, you've probably heard about augmented reality, right? It sounds super cool, but it can also feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to it. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be well on your way to creating your own AR experiences. All right, let's start with the basics. What are ARKit and ARCore? Simply put, they are platforms that allow developers to create augmented reality experiences for iOS and Android devices. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience in AR development to get started. Step 1. Setting up ARKit and ARCore on your computer. This is a straightforward process. First, download and install the necessary software development kits, or SDKs. You'll find these on the Apple and Google developer websites. Next, step 2. Creating an AR project in Xcode or Android Studio. This is where you start designing and building your augmented reality experience. Open up Xcode or Android Studio, create a new project, and select the AR template. It's that simple. Moving on, step 3, adding 3D models and textures to your AR project. This is where you bring your augmented reality vision to life. Import your 3D models and textures into the project and place them in the real-world environment. You'll see your ideas come to life right before your eyes. Finally, step 4, testing and debugging your AR project. This is crucial. You want to make sure everything is working smoothly and as intended. Connect your device, run your project, and check for any bugs or glitches. Fix what needs fixing, and you'll be ready to launch your AR experience. And that's it. You now know how to create augmented reality experiences using ARKit and ARCore. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the section below. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.